Hello and welcome everyone. So in today's video, we are going to solve this nice algebraic equation. In fact, in this equation, we have to find out the value of x. So in order to find the value of x that satisfies this equation, very first we will use a substitution like if we call square root of x plus 7 as a and square root of x minus 5 as b. With this manner, we have a plus b is equal to 6 and let's call it equation number 1. So from here we can write a plus b is equal to 6, and if we multiply both sides by a negative b, so the resultant will become a positive b times a negative b is equal to 6 times a negative b. Further, on left hand side, we will be using the identity a plus b times a negative b, that will be a square negative b square. So it can be written as a square negative b square is equal to 6 times a negative b. So if we simplify a square negative b square, that will be like a square will become x plus 7, then negative, and b square will become x negative 5. So with this manner, a square negative b will be given as x positive 7 negative x, and negative will become positive 5. So from here we have 12. That means if we put the value of a square negative b square, that is 12, in this equation, so the resultant will be like 6 times a negative b is equal to 12. From here, we will have a negative b is equal to 2. Let's call it equation number 2. So from equation number 1 and 2, we have a positive b is equal to 6 and a negative b is equal to 2. So if we add up these two equations, we will have twice of a is equal to 6 plus 2, that will be 8. From here, we have a is equal to 4. So from here, we can write square root of x positive 7 is equal to 4. So in order to find the value of x, we will be squaring this equation on both sides. So after squaring, we will have x positive 7 is equal to 16. So further, from here, we have x is equal to 16 negative 7. So from here, we can write x is equal to 9. So this is the required solution of the given algebraic equation. Hope you understand the solution that we discuss here. Please like the video and share this video with your friends who likes mathematics and loves to solve mathematics. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And more importantly, thanks a lot for watching this video.